In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse the first and last name and add a comma between them in Google Sheets. This simple trick is really handy if you have a list of names and you want to format them in a specific order. Let's dive in and make this process a breeze. First, to begin, you'll want to open up Google Sheets. If you're unfamiliar with Google Sheets, it's part of Google's suite of productivity tools, perfect for managing and analyzing data online with ease. Once you have your Google Sheets document open, identify the cell where you want to reverse the names. In our example, let's use cell A2, where we'll assume the full name is already entered in the format first-last. Now, we'll move on to cell D1, and this is where the magic starts to happen. We need a formula, which is essentially a small piece of code that performs a specific calculation to rearrange the names. Let's focus on cell B2, where this formula will be entered. The formula we're going to use is x index split A2, 1, 2, and index split A2, 1, 1. This formula might look complex at first, but here's how it works. The split function breaks down the full name into parts, using as a separator between the first and last name. The index function then grabs these parts, specifically taking the second part first, and that's usually the last name, and then the first part second, which of course is the first name. We're then using the and symbol to join everything together with a comma and space placed in between for correct formatting. Once you've typed this formula into cell B2, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This simple action will execute the formula and your selected cell should immediately display the name in the last, first format. To save time and apply this change to other cells without manually entering the formula again, use the autofill feature. In Google Sheets, you can easily do this by hovering over the bottom right corner of cell B2 until it becomes a small blue square. Click and drag the square down the column to fill the formula into adjacent cells. You'll see all the names instantly adjusted to the new format. This process transforms your list of names in a clear, structured manner, allowing for easy organization and readability. That's all there is to it. A quick, simple, and effective way to get your data in order. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to explore more functionalities of Google Sheets to power up your data handling skills. Thanks for watching.